Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my living room Christmas decor. And as you already have seen previous videos, my theme for this year is Royal Elegance. So sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Before you go, make sure you leave me a comment below. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And also make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I drop in the future. Again guys, Merry Christmas. Have a blessed and safe holiday season and a Happy New Year. If I don't get a chance to tell you before the year is out, be blessed. Psalms 91. And I'll see you in the next video.